Hey everybody, Chris here. So after the July 5th big dip that we had over the weekend, cryptos were recovering and we had Dogecoin trying to hit back to 11 cents, but then Sunday night had another dip back down to the nines. Could this be the last 9-cent Dogecoin you'll ever see? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams, and I'll be live Monday at 4 o'clock p.m. Yes, I'm starting at 4 o'clock now. My schedule has opened up a bit. So that's East Coast time, Boston time. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you've got your notifications on so you know when the live streams start, because they're always a good time and you can ask questions in the chat, interact with me. All good. But we want to get right into Dogecoin and Bitcoin. What's going on? What are the key levels? All of that. Let's get to the charts in the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here's the current Dogecoin chart as I'm recording this, and we're at 10.95, trying to get back over 11 cents. This is where we were July 5th, right here. And because of the dip we had last night, just below 10 cents, down to 9.9 cents, I've now drawn an upward trending support line, and we'll see if that plays out as we go forward. This line up here, this is 11.5 cents. It is still resistance. If Dogecoin can trade up above 11.5 cents, we will see whether it can come back and retest as support and then move up higher. What's happening with Bitcoin? Very similar trajectory on its trading. Again, big dip on July 5th, down to 53,600. And it retested 54,300. That's right, going back into this purple rectangle, the purple box, which we'll explore in more detail during the live stream. I don't want to get into all of the Bitcoin detail stuff now. But this morning, as Bitcoin then went on this big run up here and actually came all the way up to a certain level, what level was that? And what was this trading for? Well, again, this is all about liquidations, right? It's all about liquidations. That's what the market makers and the exchanges are about. They do not want you to win on liquidations. And look what happened this morning. There was a $9.5 million short on Binance at 57,980 liquidation price. And what did Bitcoin hit? Just to 57,980, hit 58, and then came back down. That is not a coincidence, guys. It's not a coincidence. The price was moved up in order to liquidate those shorts. I told you there would be a short squeeze coming, and that is still in the cards. We could have a much more giant short squeeze coming forward for Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and others, including Dogecoin. That's right, including Dogecoin. So where does this take us from here? Well, before we get to that, look, this video is sponsored by Ledger. I have a link in the description below. Ledger is still having a sale, 20% off on Ledger Nano color wallets. That's right, you get a nice color wallet as opposed to my black and silver one. If you're looking at getting a crypto, a crypto hardware wallet, Ledger's the one to get, guys. And again, you don't have to use Ledger Live. You don't have to swap. I don't recommend any of that. Just get the hardware wallet, plug it in, do your transfer, unplug it, safe, secure. That's all you need to do. And I like the Nano S Plus. It's the cheapest one. That's the one I use. That's this one here. You don't need the Nano X. You don't need Bluetooth. This one's just fine. I know some of you have the X and you love it, which is great. And you can get an X, but you really don't need it. And don't go for this wallet recovery stuff. It's a monthly fee. They would have your key phrase. You don't want them to have your key phrase. You take care of your own key phrase. So this is the only thing that's giving Ledger a bad name. It's this recovery thing, but you do not have to do that. So, and I recommend you don't. Just get the Nano. Do your business. your keys, your crypto, store your crypto. Again, link in the description below. Dogecoin. The market slump could be ending. The worst should be over if we're in line with previous cycles. This is Kev Capital. In the previous bull market for Dogecoin, it saw on 3 separate occasions 50 to 60% corrections while grinding its way to an eventual macro top. At the current moment, this correction has been 60%. If we are in line with previous cycles and their average corrections than the worst, this could be it. This could be it. And now it is time for Doge to move forward and to move on up. So that's Kevin's analysis. We also have Tim Peterson forecasting Dogecoin to surge to $1 over the next 2 years. That's right, a 10x jump from its current value, and that is still in the cards. That has not been invalidated. Dogecoin price recovery may stall, though. Resistance levels to watch. Again, 11.5 cents. So it's not just me, but these guys are looking at the same thing on the charts. That 11.5 cent is going to be strong resistance for Doge to get over that line. But if it does, then, my July price prediction here in white is back in play. That's right, back in play for the July price prediction. Why Dogecoin price dip is a great buy now? Well, according to Sentiment, this is this MVRV. Again, what is the real value of crypto, and why Dogecoin is an appealing choice for investors seeking to benefit from its current underestimation. That's right, underestimation. Dogecoin right now has an MVRV ratio of minus 19.7, which is more than any other top 100 crypto. Now, there are some others that are close, like Cardano and SHIB, but Dogecoin has the worst MVRV score, which means that it is highly undervalued, presenting a lower risk for investors. Therefore, it is an excellent option for purchasing during the dip. And why Dogecoin? Strong community support, high liquidity, widespread adoption, celebrity endorsements. If you saw my Elon Musk video over the weekend, a lot of videos of Elon, again, still supporting Dogecoin. So with Dogecoin's price currently trading at 10.96 cents, we've got, the challenges ahead still for Doge. There still are potential risks, but right now, according to the MVRV number, its potential as a safe, again, it's cryptocurrency, so be careful what you consider to be safe, but safe for buying the dip. Coin's appeal to investors seeking to profit from quick market changes lies in its significant community backing, ample liquidity, broad acceptance, endorsements. So that's looking good. Doge, SHIB, Pepe up for second chances. SHIB and Pepe have actually gotten hit worse than Doge in this last week. But they're going to come back too. They are actually going to come back too. Over the past 24 hours, Dogecoin price inked a mild surge. We know Doge is volatile, but what happened with SHIB? SHIB dropped even more, and Pepe had a big sell-off phase. Pepe's growth not to be trusted yet, as the token's volatility might see it erode these gains. We should see, but overall, meme coins been the narrative for the first half of 2024. We'll see how that is going forward. So overall, look, the market's recovering. We will watch support and resistance lines, and we'll see how Doge trades in there. But could this have been the last 9-cent Dogecoin you could have bought right there last night? We will see going forward. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this 9-cent Dogecoin, and did you get any? Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.